What's up, guys? Welcome to Be Lit Reviews. Today, we're going outside to get some fresh air. I'm gonna let the sunroof open, and I had to go by the bank and pick some money up and put some money here and put some money there and pay some people here and pay some people there. But now that that's out of the way, we're gonna jump into a banging heater video. I'm gonna pull something out the vault that I know you're gonna like. So stay tuned. Let me get home. Let me make one more stop, and I'm gonna bring you a banging video today. So without further ado, let's get it. Oh yeah. And if you're new here, please subscribe. I truly appreciate it. Let's get it. The end of the review. I got these nice little joints in here. Never reviewed these yet. I got a couple different colors of these actually. But after that, I'm gonna tell you some very important information. So please stay tuned. It will help you financially. It's how you're gonna get money in your bank accounts. If you're a small business owner, if you're an employee, if you're a subcontractor, if you're an independent contractor, if you're 1099, if you're W-2, stay tuned. Guys, I was able to get gas for $1.55 a gallon. So never mind my dirty Denali. See you, brother. Never mind my dirty Denali, but $1.18 for 20 gallons. Guys, stay till the end. I will be dropping some very useful information to get money in your pockets. Just saying. Jumping into this review, guys, you see it. You got the Tinker Hatfields signature here. Box reads, size 11, Jordan Air Retro, Tinker Hatfield, SP, white, University red. Flipping back the paper, you have your elephant print type colored paper here, right here. I'm gonna roll that back, and you see these crisps. Fire. You have 5 different swooshes. You have the red swooshes, you have the light gray swooshes, the dark gray swooshes, the elephant print swooshes, and the white swooshes. It all come with it. Throwing these in the bag, you have the standard Jordan 3 Nike Air OG on the back. You have the Jordan Jumpman on the tongue. You have the sail in white outer with the black, the white rubber midsole with the red on the insole. Now, I can't say it enough. These are definitely OG, must be in the collection. I have these and the black, I have 3 pairs of these, and actually 3 pairs of both, the black ones. I keep 1 to 2 dead stock, and I keep 1 for the feet. So these are lit always. So you can swap these laces out as you see fit. And then over here we got laces, man. You got 3 different laces that come with it too. So we got the gray, we got the red, we got the white, and we have the gray Nike stitched right here on the upper. You have like a gray with little tiny holes for air to get through right below the eyelets. Then you have the white toe box with the red going all the way around it. The OG Nike Air on the back. These are actually at a good price right now. You can grab these joints. I got them, they're usually $225. I got these all day for like 80 bucks, man. No cap, 80 bucks. So if you can get these and the black ones with the gold eyelets like I got, I'll do a review on them as well. Snatch them up. I snatched up 7 pairs of these. Well, 3 of these and 4 of the other, and I think it was 6 to 7 of them. But these are a fire shoe that you must have for your collection, guys. Now it's a time to be buying stocks or grails. And actually, you can get these right now. I got these at Shout Out Hibbett's. I bought these as part of that big 25, 26, 28 pairs pickup I did in one weekend last year. I did a video on that, like one of my first videos when I started several months ago when I just started this channel, like about less than 120 days ago. But you can go check that out. But these are a must cop. Like I said, I got them for like $80-something, and they go for $225. You have to get these. No cap, they're worth every buck. So let's get into something else that's very important. Guys, this is for my small business owners, my full-time YouTubers, my independent contractors, everybody that doesn't get a paycheck from somebody else, but you're the boss, you have your own thing going on. I'm a small business owner, so I've done the research for the last couple of days, talked to everybody from the governor on down to the banker. So let me tell you what I found out, okay? First off, go to Sba.gov. In the very top of the page, there's a yellow bar, okay? It'll say COVID-19 relief. It'll tell you what all you're eligible for. And you can access up to $10,000 within 72 hours. You put your routing information, it will put it in your banking account, whether you're approved or not. If you're approved, you have, it takes up to 72 hours. They have to go over it. But if you're approved, they take it out of what the loan will be. That's a disaster relief fund for the COVID-19 economic crisis. Number two, the $350 billion, part of the $2.2 trillion that was passed at 12:01 this morning. Small business owners like myself, Tony D2 Wild, Kais, all you guys, go to your local banks who you do business with and apply for the PPP, the Payroll Protection Plan, and you can access up to $2 million. It is a loan at a 0.25% up to 30 years. It's only a 1% maturity rate. So therefore, a lot of smaller banks aren't into it yet, but most of the big banks are. But if you're not a member of one of those big banks, you may have to wait till they take care of the members first. I've talked to several big ones, Pinnacle, Chase today. That's what they're doing with their clients. Theirs first, and then the other people. They're making a list. It's getting crazy. But go in there, and if you pay this back, guys, it turns into a grant. You don't have to pay it back. As you can check out my boy Tony D2 Wild's page. He's a fellow YouTuber. You guys know I've only got 350 subscribers. Only started a couple months ago. He's got 650,000 subscribers or more. He's a good fellow Christian brother of mine. So check out what he's got to say on this topic as well. But if you use this right, you do not have to pay it back. Use it to pay your employees, pay your overhead. You can get up to $2 million, guys. And it covers the payroll protection program. It is for small business owners, full-time YouTubers, independent contractors, sole proprietors, people that are basically their own boss and don't get that unemployment check, guys. So check that out. Now, if you do get unemployment, guys, you will get that extra $600 from the government on top of the $275 from Tennessee anyway. So whatever your state is, whatever it is you get at your max, you'll get another $600 on top of it from the federal government, which creates a problem for employers because employers are having trouble. People are wanting to get laid off because they realize, hey, man, I make more money at home than I do working, so why not stay at home? So 4 or 5 business owners that I know personally have talked to attorneys today figuring out what they can do to keep people. This is crazy times. So I just want to give you guys as much information as I can give you. Guys, be safe out there. We will overcome this. It will spike in the next couple of weeks. I hate to say that, but it will. Just be safe and be smart, guys. And thank you for tuning in. I will link everything below this. And I know this isn't about, this is a shoot channel, but I'm trying to use what little platform I got that I'm grateful for to help as many people get money in their pockets, man. So don't sleep. Get the things rolling. Sba.gov if you're a small business owner. And get that disaster relief and the PPP. All right, guys? All right. Till next time, stay lit.